Hi guys, this is the Retro Modern Professor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution configuration of a fresh installed Debian Virtual Machine over the Oracle Virtualbox, although the right same steps would work on a physical machine too. If you have correctly installed the virtual machine, setting the proper amount of video memory, you must be able to pick up higher resolutions here. First, click on the Applications menu and then on Settings, then on Display. A new window will pop up. Just click on the resolution list and pick up the resolution desired for your machine, in my case, this. Then click on the Apply button, and voila! If you have trouble choosing higher resolutions, it's probably due to the lack of a video memory. Also, if you're running this procedure on a physical machine, you might experience some sort of short flickers on the screen too. Just remember to adhere to a resolution option that fits your video memory size. I hope you have enjoyed this short video. See you soon. Bye!